Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if you are getting this type of error on your iPhone or iPad device while purchasing, please contact iTunes support to complete this transaction. Then here in this video, I'll show you the possible solutions through which you can easily fix this problem. So now let's get started how you can fix this problem. First of all, here you need to close this tab. After that, here you will need to open setting on your iPhone or iPad device. Then after that, here you need to scroll it below, then here tap on general, then tap on software update, and first of all you will have to make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your device to the latest available version. Then after that, you will need to open your Apple ID profile. Then here you will need to tap on payment and shipping, and from here you will have to verify your payment method that you have entered the correct payment method. Here you will have to verify your debit and credit card numbers, its expiry date, and the security code that all these things are correct. And if all these things are correct and you're still having this problem, then you will need to remove your payment method and you will have to again re-enter your payment method on your iPhone device, and after that check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Open setting on your iPhone device, then here scroll it below, then here tap on general, then here scroll it below, and here's the option of background app refresh. Tap on this, and here make sure that here background app refresh is turned on and all the apps are turned on from here. Then after that, here you need to again scroll it below, then tap on language and region, and from here you will have to scroll it below, and here you will have to make sure that your Apple ID country and region and your device country and region should be same. If these are different, then you will have to change the Apple ID or your device region to the same country or region from both sides, and after that check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you will need to again open settings, then tap on your Apple ID. Then here you need to tap on subscriptions, and from here you will have to cancel all those subscriptions that you have recently subscribed, and after that check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then here you will need to again go back, then here you will need to scroll it below, then tap on screen time, then here you will need to scroll it below, then tap on content and privacy restrictions, then here you will need to turn on this toggle, then tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. Then from here is the option require and don't require. Here check the don't require and make sure that installing apps and all these should be allowed from here. Then after that check that the problem fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you will need to again open content and privacy restrictions, then here scroll it below, and here make sure that all these toggles should also be. Then after that, hopefully your problem will be fixed and you will be able to fix this problem. So that's it from this video. Thanks for watching this video.